Hi, I'm Jeff Murrah, and I want to welcome you to Healthy Marriage Tips, where we started dealing with the whole topic of enabling and what all's involved there. And I'm having to go into some more background on that. Today, we're going to be looking at a comparison of dysfunctional families with functional families. Because before you take off and start making progress there, it helps to know what the difference is between them. Well, I talked a little bit about dysfunctional families yesterday in terms of the unwritten rules of don't talk, don't trust, don't feel. You know, it's a very insecure place where you're unsure of what's going to happen, you're unsure of your place. And there are some other characteristics. Another one is that development is either ignored or impaired. And when I say that, in these families, you usually don't find people celebrating birthdays, making a big deal about it. Anything that shows advancement or that the person is getting older, making improvements and so forth. In a dysfunctional family, those are downplayed, if not totally and outright ignored. And in the dysfunctional family, your main goal is survival. You want to do what you need to in order just to survive, and that's part of the problem. Now, contrast this with a functional family, because in a functional family, you can trust each other. You can express feelings. You can talk. You don't have to live in fear with these things. It feels safe enough to talk about those things. You feel secure. And when you feel secure and not having to be scared of what's going to happen, or when dad gets home, or when mom is running late, people can start thriving. They can focus on development and making themselves better. They can become better people. And these are some of the differences that you see between them. I don't like using the word normal because I think it creates a false goal. So I find functional and dysfunctional a better way of understanding it rather than normal and abnormal. Because each family has its own little quirky ways of doing things. And if it's functional and it works for them, that's good. But if it's dysfunctional and doesn't work, then it's time to go back to the drawing board and see what they can come up with. I hope that you find this comparison helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. I want to thank you for tuning in, and until next time, this is Jeff Murrah wishing you best regards. Goodbye.